This RE/MAX Preferred Associates property video is presented by Derek Wesley. This 1985 brick rancher that sits on 0.41 of an acre shows like a model. This gorgeous home offers vaulted ceilings, an open floor plan, and a wood-burning fireplace. The roof, flooring, and interior painting have all been replaced or updated within the last 2 years. The master ensuite offers a nice-sized bedroom, walk-in closet, and a bathroom that feels like a commercial spa. The hall bathroom has been updated also. The kitchen has plenty of counter space and cabinet storage with stainless steel appliances that will remain with the property, including the refrigerator. This home is a definite must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Derek Wesley at 972-293-4567.